Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm heading to my place where I used to stay. Right now, I'm at the station. And guess what? A train just left for Guwahati. But mine hasn't arrived yet. It's on the way though. Oh, wait, there it comes. From here, I'll be heading towards Dekagaon, Tezpur. I've just boarded the train and luckily got a nice solo seat, peace and space, perfect for a scenic journey. Look outside. What a beautiful view. This kind of natural beauty you can only experience in villages. The clean, fresh air, pure oxygen. This is the real benefit of village life. Unlike towns where there's too much pollution, air pollution, water pollution, it's everywhere. Villages offer what I call Earth's fantasy, a healthy life with natural advantages. And look over there. Can you guess what that is? That's a tea garden. We call it tea bagwan here, a gift from nature. These leaves are what bring that rich color and taste to our daily cup of chai. Tea isn't just a drink, it's full of health benefits too. It helps with digestion, boosts immunity, reduces stress, improves focus, and even helps fight inflammation. Drinking tea daily, especially green or herbal tea, can really support your mental and physical well-being. Anyway, I finally reached the village. I'm super tired now. I left around 8 a.m. and it's almost 11. So it takes about 3 hours from Harisinga to Dekagaon. But wait, the journey isn't over yet. I've taken an auto and I'll have to go even further. And just look around. So many lychee trees everywhere. It's lychee season and this place is said to have the largest lychee orchard in all of Northeast India and best lychee in all Assam. Isn't that amazing? So now I've almost reached. My friend came to pick me up. We're heading to the hostel now, but I'm ending the vlog here. I'll take you inside the hostel another day. Alright guys, that's it for today. Bye bye Tata. See you in the next video.